Alejandro.
Happy baby.
Look over here.
That's a Texas Longhorn.
A what?
Texas Longhorn. Both of them are.
How you know? Look at mine. Big Longhorn. Some more to feed you. Look, wait, Marnie. Here, Marnie, you want to feed one?
You gonna feed them?
You want to feed them?
Huh?
Be very careful. They're not going to hurt you.
Alejandro.
That's just how they grow. It's just the type of cattle they are. They're called Watusi, and these are about average. But the world's record largest horn is on a Watusi steer, and it's 38 inches around and 100 pounds each horn. So I mean, it's like 3-4 times the size of these. It's humongous.
Wait, just hold it on.
Definitely. Yep, you can touch them. Just be very careful. She's not going to hurt you on purpose. She doesn't mind if you touch them. Just watch she. They do turn their heads really quickly. So anytime there's a large horn near you, do not lean your head over the side of the bus. Pay close attention to where these horns are moving. So watch kids. Don't let the kids get too close to the horn. This one's actually a girl. That's a young boy. He's probably about 2 years old. What is on your horn? If he comes close enough, I'll pull it off.
Go ahead, throw some more.
He just finished taking a little bathroom break.
Baby, let me go.
Alejandro, did you feed him? Give it to him, Marnie.
This is why we're very careful when we hold on. I say hold on to everything tightly, your trash. Well, I have never seen that happen before. We have one of our guys have something wrapped around their horn there. Which ones? Oh, that's just where the cars are. Where the cars are. We've got a bison out here ahead of us. If you look over here lying down in the tall grass, there's a little baby bison. See it lying down? He's about 9 years old. There's a brand new baby over there. The big red cattle around us with their huge horns, they're called Watusi. This one's right here, they come from Africa. They're the ones who, they can't stay out there, but they're the ones who get really dirty that have to go in. Of course, we do have places to take them if they need it.
Did you get it?
This is an animal. This is a buffalo. And those are Watusi cows. They're just different animals. Just be very careful, guys. Don't stand too close because I don't want those horns to get you. But what's interesting about the Watusi cattle is that people in Africa, the tribes there who keep them, actually consider them to be sacred. So they don't use them for food. They don't typically eat very often. But they will take blood from the Watusi goats and mix it with milk from the Watusi cow and drink that bloody milk mixture. Yeah, pretty gross. It's pretty common out there. Oh, that's a boy. The big brown white one, that's a male Texas Longhorn.
Rick, you were right.
They also use the urine from these cows too. I've seen documentaries. Why does the not use? They stick their hands underneath to wash their hands in it. They use it in their hair. They mix it with ashes from fire to make paint that they use on their own skin. So it's like getting your face painted with cow pee. Sounds pretty gross. We do have face painting here sometimes too. You might want to ask for some of the ingredients. Could be homemade, keep it authentic.
Go ahead, Mark.
This is a bull here. This little small dark red one. Here's the bull. Here's the bull in the group. They're twitching their muscles. It's just a fly.
Wait,
so they can just make their muscles shake, and that makes the flies fly off.
You got some food? She got some food?
Oh, I got one here.
No, they just twitch to shake the flies off. The little black one with the white face you guys have right beside you over there, he's what we call a beefalo.
Now pat him. Yeah. See?
For what?
You keep waiting.
Yeah, go up the stairs. Come back up.
John, don't stand too close.
Don't stick your hand out there. Just go
Oh, sorry. Go ahead. I'm on your way.